Hello, my trading friends. It's Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021, and we have a short put trade for you today to consider if you like naked puts, right? We're looking at a SPAC, which I just learned is a special purpose acquisition company. Okay, it's got high IV, high liquidity, although we're going to be in the weeklies, and you'll see there's not a lot of open interest here. So we'll take a look at this trade, and we'll certainly try to get filled, but we'll see what happens. I wonder what you guys think of this trade. Shall we take a look and see? All right. Hi, my name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. I want to thank you for joining us. On screen here, you can see we have our portfolio that we've built using trades from Tasty Trade. They come to us in an email, trade ideas. We'll talk about that, how you can get those same emails in your inbox if you stay tuned to the end. So let's take a quick look at the symbols on the left-hand side to see who's winning. You can see a lot of red, so Team Red seems to be winning, which I'm glad I put on some negative delta yesterday in the Russell. It hopefully will be working out for us. But hey, sometimes you'll see these kind of futures, and even though Team Red seems to be winning, it'll turn to Team Green by the time lunch hits. So let's see what's happening, right? We've got basically everything down except for the VIX, bonds, and the yen. Okay, fair enough. So we're going to be feeling some pain if this is how this stays, because look at our deltas here, our portfolio deltas. Granted, that's a lot of because of Target and Budweiser, whom we have covered calls in right now. But still, hey, we are likely to potentially feel some losses today. Hopefully, though, we'll be able to take some profits in the areas where we have our negative deltas. We'll see. But anyway, take a look at the chart here for PSTH. I'm not even going to bother worrying about what that company is or does, but I think because that's part of the fun of this. We're using simulated trading, right? Let's see, does it matter? Do we need to know what business this company is, or can we just play the probabilities, be the house, right? So on screen here, you can see that this trade is giving us this red line here. We're saying that we can profit so long as PSTH stays above this red line. And you can see it spent some time here. Maybe that's where it's headed, right? Or maybe this is where it'll stay. Hey, stay above that line and we will make a profit. And we have a 90% probability of making $37-ish in the next 38 days and being able to walk away. So that sounds good. So shall we go ahead now and take a look? Sorry, I don't know if my computer making that noise. Anyway, let's get this video done so I can see what's going on. All right, add simulated trade. 38 days to expiration. You're going weeklies. Here's what I'm talking about. In the weeklies, we got 11 open interest right now. That is not a lot of open interest. We're looking at about a 24 delta here, and you can get a mid price here of about 75, right? So one contract is what we've built because our order defaults are set to one contract. Yours may be 10. Be careful of that. If it says -10, you'll just have to hit the plus sign until you get to -1, or the size that you feel is appropriate for your risk tolerance. Now that we've got that, let's go ahead to the risk profile and see what the probabilities are. So set your date here, May 1st, to the date you see here in turquoise, May 1st, that's expiration. And we want to get these gold price slices to where they cross. The turquoise line crosses the x-axis here, the 0. You can do that auto-magically by clicking this menu, choosing Set Slices, Break Even, and choosing that date. And if you want the red line on your chart too, come down to Slices the Chart and click on this first box right here, the one with the highlight around it. All right, that's how you get that there. And now that we've got that, we can see that we're looking at a 67.8% probability of landing on or to the right of that gold price slice. That's good stuff. According to Tastyworks, that's a 68% probability of profit. So pretty dang close, right? Now let's take a look at our max loss and max profit on this one. And this is where we usually get the people that are not okay with undefined risk dipping out, and that's okay. Here we go. So you have max loss of $2,225, right? The 23 minus the 75, because the 23 is the strike that we're looking at, which I hope I said that, by the way. We're selling the 23 put. Maybe I neglected to say that. All right. Might have been the time it sounded like something was going to blow up on my computer. All right. Now, $75, not an amazing amount of money. but a 90% probability of us being able to take half that off in the next 38 days, that's pretty awesome. That's the law of large numbers. That's the way of saying, look, on the slot machine, I'm happy to take your quarter. There's a great chance I'm taking your quarter and giving you nothing back. Same idea? See what I'm saying? All right, so let's go ahead and hit send. It's going to put that in our working orders, and we'll see what happens if we get filled there today. It'll be some more bullish deltas, of which we do not need more, but you know, we're gonna see how this works out. That's the whole idea, and that's why we do the paper trading here. We get our trade ideas. How do we get them? You can get them too. Head on down to that description. You'll see a link. It's a new link for the Tasty Trade email sign-up page. They have several email lists. They're all great. One that you want to get on if you want to be an active participant in this and really test your skills, go ahead and sign up for the Cherry Bomb one. You'll get 4 emails a week with trade ideas and 1 motivational, inspirational email on Monday. Join us. Get Thinkorswim. Use paper money, right? Test this out before you test your real dollars out. Okay? And when you're ready, you can hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because, hey, these videos will come out, you'll get notified, and you'll be able to put these trades on. Maybe you'll get a lunch break. Maybe it's where you are, you're not at work during the trading day like I am. All right. So even though, can you still do it? Can you still work a job, right? And do this stuff? We'll see. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today. I do appreciate all your views. Here's your thumbs up. If you feel I've earned one, would you please hit that thumbs up button? I do appreciate all your views, all your subscriptions. And until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb, everyone, may the market be with you.